We will have a question hour time. Serial number 1 li opponent win question kibanangan. Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Are we government of Manipur li? Are we points? Kakaniwi. Points bajim layer ka. Jeli truck trafficking we apong li hing hangai. Government of Manipur national drug trafficking he FMR we ainana the hangdale. Manipur na war on drugs he long shada. Drugs li ting shapella. Kala FMR kate he scrap sacks and houses. He buy he drugs later on the clapping mangli shunga kamka naga miuli divide kasakla kachijing hangamilo.
Question Juvang Nishlagare. Issue FMR scrap Kasahina. Ting Shablagla than Nitingale. Issue he Kodonka scrap Masarang Tugada. Kodonka successful side of Mahangra. Kajita Sala. In Atang Hangdakai. 19,000 plus acres illegal population Sashman Mera 60,000 illegal drugs smugglers being winner to Kuina issue achievement ne Jibaji Paptamilo Gala he Natum Nagana Bingli Threaten examining Natumwe identity li Natumwe Mushun Yankay communing by Hangaye FMR scraps Kasahiva. It is not a rejection to ethnic solidarity. Connection here, formal, documented, kala accountable process in a sasagine. Nishlagar.
A question na human rights and refugee being a Taga issue border the FMR just scrap some rage refugee na itumi genuine smuggler yang trafficking sadang lake tada differentiate sabera.
Question Jivang Nishi refugee Gji Atumuhi 1951 UN Refugee Convention Atishu the refugee being rights me Musun me right to asylum. Chikava atumi ngin gui kwai atumli mushun mi atumi rai re shokong da mapam bai ma da ngin ga jat ne jiwang ne hiwli drug trafficking da hang drug trafficking wi wang ne jai kha kin bin drug kin bin bing hi kachung ga hi Manipur village jai kha Churachandpur kala northeast village jai kha Mizoram Thobal wena Churachandpur Thobal wili Maitei Pangan Muslim being hinane kachunga hi Naga being involved masam ni jili chidai ka khiwi wangai da Naga being wili border fence how kiwai the Chin Hills Mizoram and Churachandpur li border fence msatu kiwai the Thobal Pangan wili more road wili defense kala checking we personality army ma jungsang le Naga mang li target how chilaga things ngai ni share.
Question 4. Oboten bakba kutumang wida inang hanaw gijene. Na nathang gangli sessionist grouping we moramli tra hangai re. FMR he scrap cycle sessionist grouping we administration weekends already. Explain come that samim.
Are we here? Sessionist grouping here. Means at the northeast Liban the claiming here. Atumi Indian Army. Shokar we shipai being in India we alum here dominate South the Hilim Tadam by Mupum Gabaiwang. Atumi free movement when advantage quilga border lemjile India we army being a border free movement Malay by Tugita Makan Chok by Vivang. Atum the Chili shelter quie. Kala Chili yin quie, Gijine. kala India ping na counter attack ma shok sak bai wang athum chiling yi na we je da administration ji India army we na free sa wil ga chilim tham e de singam pai athum we Indian army wila or CIA wila influence na lang mai ngan chok laga yam chok laga chili sing bai me de chuwang na gang san everyone he NSCN zang da kala Indian government zang da or state government zang da war on drugs gji imbosar le kala hiwi le war on drugs li FMR hi ma thing la ka tha da thing bai ro to gji hang sang
Drug trafficking is a complex issue which is influenced by various factors like kacham wivang, lack of opportunity. Hikata khalai ju wivang in drug trafficking kata hi khalai bale me. Okay, I'm not denying the fact that FMRG, porter sai salala, fence sai salala, scrap sai salala, there will always be an activities of illegals. Jivalai babam re. Malimra jimning ne leire ka FMR he along the Indo-Myanmar way he scrap cycle here naka community li satsa ka pai le ka chine because Manipur li la naka we apam chang da le kala ari we Myanmar li la which naka inhabitant area which is known as Sakang region yang chili la pam da le he we demarcation kasadak le hiva itum nakan opingwe indigenous community pingwe khamaya mokhila hiva colonial construct ne chidai ka itum kya shibai la illegal immigrants na fencing kya ka thada sa salala kya ka military strengthen sa salala mikmo na sa se je ka masa ka bai bam le samre I hope you answer the satisfactory the query. Thank you. Are you going to ask them?
Yes. Ask them? Yes. Okay. Hello, serial number 2.
Hello.
Yes, I have a question for you. Okay. My question for you is, has there been adequate collaboration with Myanmar authorities to address the root causes of illegal activity, or is India's response purely reactive?
Government itu mia khang ro ga ti shudas within 16 kilometer way along hili khong khwa free na khong khwa jim sabai mra che da itu local area li khangsan kala itu mi le da kle government ning san ga itu na itu mi pha khme abong ji sara da itu nak san e che da itu mi le da kle hiwa tai lai na public health kala law and order hi restore sa laga chingri nok thi vai sai da itum na government of Myanmar kala le da kle ekhu itum mi naga inhabited area li la ngsan man laga kala pha kham dai pha khme ya adam ji la kala tuitak ji la khim man ra da shitsang
Okay, my question is, should we compromise national security due to your cultural ties and identity?
Okay, thank you so much, Ministry of Home Affairs, for the question. Okay, according to the UN Charters Act 1945, and I strongly believe, if a strongly salakin ang iwi mi you wang family ties wang iwi cultural rights wang ethnicity wang ikwang na compromise sakita chikali khala compromise sak vai mlela me jena iwa hijang hiwa regional diplomacy ka maintain sa laka FMR hiwa kalik scrap masaba lak mara ka chiwihli stand sa gazak laka nganing dalai china any humanitarian needs labai security concerns labai na to maintain sa laka ruling party na hiwa proactive action ko kuita kar sai de iwa hi ba hi hang sangai satisfy sai de kui
This question is to Ministry of Home Affairs. Why scrapping of FMR and border fencing without consulting the Nagas and honoring the framework agreement which has signed between Nagas and India on 3rd August 2015? Marama framework agreement jili integrationly joint defense kala external defense li ngarum da otsara da changdile ji implement masarang naga kyuwai na border na riyaw jinghanga misangai. Thank you.
All right. First of all, number one, 3rd August 2015 agreement. He still ongoing dialogue, still ongoing talk ne. Number two, our question, Kuwaina consult masatu Ministry of Home Affairs na. Kuwaina consult masala FMR he scraps how kala Kuwaina border fencing kwirao gajine. If we answer banava because of natum nathesha raklene ethnic riot sok dakle Manipur hilila kalala hili hak maidala sok kapai chances le hogi da ari vai thumna FMR hi khusok khai ghane kala border fencing hiwa ari la progress masa guprangai ka progress le dakle ne kala himang hena tanghai maning la ithumna ka da naga nauping India we border kala Myanmar we border jili pan dakle ping masung dok tak liping oktui tak liping li masachi khwai sasikla da itum hiwi wang consultation la welcome sadale kala hiwi wang consult sara gaji hangai dele ka first step because of the threat scraping of FMR hi quick rane